Hello there, English enthusiasts. Today, we'll have a look at some common prepositions that people tend to find difficult when it comes to usage. In, on, and at. If you're here, then it means you have a problem too. We use in to talk about a place inside a bigger place, such as a box, a house, a city, or a country. The jacket is in the wardrobe. The children are playing in the park. I was born in Kenya. We also get to use in with other physical locations such as in the world, in water, in the mountains, in a car or a taxi. On. We use on to talk about location on a surface, streets, and some types of public transport. He's on the bus. The books are on the desk. We live on the 5th floor. The shop is on Tomboya Street. Now, let's look at. That's quite a mouthful. Anyway, we use at when we are talking about a specific place or exact positions. I'm at work. See you at the train station. I live at 15 Muhoya Avenue. He's sitting at the back of the room. I hope you now understand where to use which, and I hope this will help you improve your grammar. Keep learning, folks.